Some final impressions of the E-flite UMX AS3 Extra. This is just an amazing airplane, just so much fun to fly. It's so precise, so smooth, so locked in. It really takes the original UMX Extra to the next level. And the AS3X system on this aircraft is just amazing. The assist modes are interesting. They kind of show you what the AS3X system can do, what it's capable of. And it's kind of, I think it'd be fun to show people that you can hover and knife edge with no fingers on the sticks. It's definitely a different feeling. But the most fun really is just flying it in regular AS3X mode, because this thing will hover so well on its own, knife edge so well anyway, that you really don't need it. But it's interesting to see and see what the technology can do. As far as CG, I put the battery just right on that Velcro strip that they provide, and CG was right on, no issues, no trim needed, flew perfectly out of the box. I only have 145C pack, and that definitely was the best. That gave the best vertical punch out for 3D flight. My 25C packs are getting a little bit old, so I think they were underperforming, but I would recommend the 45C pack for this airframe. I flew it pretty rough, guys. I definitely wanted to test it out, test the durability somewhat, so I took some chances. I put it into a tree, I put it into the ground, I flew it into my face. You know, I really kind of wrung it out pretty good, and really nothing got damaged at all. You know, you can crash it into the ground, pick it up, and there's not a mark on it. It's just so light, and it's built, you know, very strong. The only thing I lost was a wheel pant at some point, so I went ahead and just pulled the other one off for symmetry, because otherwise it looks a little bit funnier. But that's the only thing that broke off at some point during one of those crashes. So that's it, guys. This is an amazing airplane. Like I said, going to be super popular. If you have any questions, please post them below, any comments. As always, if you enjoyed the video, always appreciate a thumbs up or subscribe, and I will see you next time.